am Dr. Prachi Srivastava. I have 10 years experience in quality and R&D. I did my MTech and PhD from HPTI Kanpur, and I grew up in Sultanpur, Uttar Pradesh, India, and completed my master degree in Kenai PSS in Sultanpur. For my higher education, I'll pursue a Master of Technology and PhD from HPTI in Kanpur. My earlier influencers were my teachers and my parents, with my mother being a constant source of motivation for my pursuit of higher education. I have two siblings, and even I have two child also. My husband is assistant professor in computer science department of Merit Institute of Technology. And if I talk about my journey into the field of chemistry was a bit unexpected. In 10th grade, I was primarily focused on mathematics, but circumstances led me to leave that path in 11th grade. It was during this transition that my interest began to grow in the subject of chemistry and physics. I found both of these disciplines to be incredibly logical and captivating. What particularly drew me to chemistry was its direct relationship with the world of chemicals and industrial applications. The idea that I could potentially contribute to advancement in chemical process and the creations of new material fascinated me as I delved deeper into the subject. It became a part of my life, and I found myself genuinely enjoying it. This experience taught me that sometimes our interests can evolve unexpectedly, and embracing those changes can lead to fulfilling and exciting journey. Chemistry becomes my passion, and I am embarked on a path of explorations and learning in this field. My professional journey has been marked by several significant milestones, each contributing to my growth and expertise in the field. In 2010, I began my career as a research associate working on a project focused on nutritional aspect of blending oil. This early experience laid the foundation for my career in the industry. In 2016, I embarked on a new path by becoming an R&D manager at BL Agro Industries Limited, an FMCG company. This role allowed me to apply my academic background to practical industry challenges and was a pivotal moment in my career. In 2017, I took on position of Assistant General Manager of Quality at RLRC Private Limited, representing a significant step forward. This role further depend, depended my involvement in quality control and management within the industry. Throughout my journey, I have been incredible fortunate to have had the guidance and support of my mentor, Dr. R.P. Singh. Dr. Singh not only played a crucial role in my academic development during my PhD, but also providing endless support and guidance as I transition into the professional world. My journey reflects my dedications to continuous learning and growth, as well as the invaluable mentorship and support that Dr. R.P. Singh has offered. I believe that this combination of experience and guidance has been instrumental in my professional success and my ability to contribute effectively in my field. In both my personal and professional journey, I have encouraged challenges that have helped define my character and perseverance. A particularly challenging period was during my 12th standard when I lost my father. It was an incredibly difficult time for my family and me, but my brother and my mother were unwavering in their support. Their strength and encouragement play a vital role in helping me navigate this trying period. I consider my extremely fortunate to have such a supportive family. That challenges continue during my academic pursuits, particularly during my PhD journey. It was during this time that I became pregnant and managing the demand of academia and parenthood simultaneously proved to be a formidably task. I can't emphasize enough how crucial the support of my husband and my mother was during this period. Their unwavering support allowed me to continue my academic journey while also embracing the responsibility of parenthood. Throughout these challenges, I have learned the importance of resilience and the value of a strong support system. While I cherish the journey I have had with my family, there is an undeniable void left by the absence of my father. His memory continues to inspire me, and I am motivated to honor his legacy by continuing to push myself in my personal and professional endeavors. The field of chemistry has always held a special place in my heart, and I believe that sometime our life's path is chosen for us. In my case, it led me to the realm of chemistry. I have developed a deep seated love for this subject because, as they say, God always choose a path for you, and you undoubtedly serve your surrounding in the way He is interested. Actually, chemistry is not only the subject, it is also related to our daily life routine. If I talk about the oil or FMCG product industry, you can easily see that the product behavior on your health is also important. It is only the importance of chemistry that we know that which type of item we want to choose to eat or not. This brain health, that who is the helpful for us or not, who is the nutritious or not, and what combination is really essential for our life is also related to the chemistry. Because blending, I have already told you that blending of oil is the essential part of oil industry, because blended oil gives not only you the balanced fatty acid profile, who balance your lifestyle, and who balance your heart health. This all things is only related to the chemistry. So I told you that I love the chemistry and it is related to me. My career journey has taken me into the FMCG sector, where I work in the quality department. One of my primary responsibility is to ensure that safe and high quality food products reach the people who trust our brand. I also provide essential support to the business partner who collaborate with us. This is where my technical skill in chemistry come into play. I understand the intricate chemistry behind the manufacturing process and how they can impact the human body. This knowledge allow me to make a real difference in the ensuring that the product meet the highest quality and safety standard. My work in the FMCG industry is not just a job but a passion. It's about making a meaningful impact on the lives of consumers by providing them with safe, nutritious, and high quality products. It's about fostering trust and delivering on the promises of our brand. My journey in this field is driven by a love for chemistry and genuine desire to serve and make a positive difference in the world. Building a more inclusive and equal world is a fundamental goal, and I am committed to contributing to this mission through my work in the FMCG sector. In my role in the quality department, I am not only dedicated to ensuring the safety and quality of our product, but also to making them accessible and inclusive to a diverse range of consumers. We are constantly working to understand the specific need and preference of our various demographics, including those with their dietary restrictions or special requirement. This approach ensures that our products are inclusive, catering to a wide audience and meeting their unique need. For example, we may develop allergen-free products, heart healthy oils, or items suitable for individuals with specific health conditions. Additionally, actively participate in, in initiatives and projects within our organizations that aim to promote diversity and inclusion. We strive to create a workplace that value and respect every individual's background, experience, and perspectives. By fostering a diverse and inclusive work environment, we are working towards a more equitable world. Ultimately, by combining my passion for chemistry and my commitment to quality, safety, and inclusivity, I am doing my part to contribute to a more equal and inclusive world both through the products we provide and the workplace culture we cultivate. If I talk about the tips for sustainable lifestyle, a sustainable lifestyle is nurturing the essential aspect of life that truly matter. One valuable tips I have found is to wake up early. This habit grants you precise time to focus on your passion, your personal well being, and to connect with your family. As I mentioned earlier, my family has been a vital source of strength and support in my journey, and dedicating time to them is a priority. Moreover, sustainability extends beyond the environment and into our relationship. Honesty is key not in only in personal life but also in professional interactions. Building and maintaining trust in all your relationships, whether with family, friends, or colleagues, is a cornerstone of a sustainable and fulfilling life. Ultimately, a sustainable lifestyle encompasses a harmonious balance between personal growth, family, and honesty. In all our interactions, it's about investing in the things that truly matter, and by doing so we contribute to a more sustainable and meaningful way of life. And if you talk that what is my mantra, that is, ask for what you want and be prepared to get it. Always ask in morning that what you want and prepare for it. And for this you can give a time to yourself. That's why I told you that if you early book up, then you can do everything. Okay, actually, my father is a health assistant, and he always give the uh, a good ideas that which type of medicine is required for us. One time I have got owned by an incident. Then my brother come to me, and he started to just bandage on that. Then my father told me that it is not required. You just open it and clean by Dettol, and by natural way it will be also become healed by the way of turmeric on other. And this is not only the natural pathology, but I didn't understand why he told them. When I started my career, one of my paper is on antioxidant, natural antioxidant, and it is also related to the turmeric, because in curcumin present in turmeric is a really you can say that God give us a helpful meaning by our kitchen also. The curcumin is helpful for the not only antioxidant but even healing. This type of naturopathy who gave by our father is really amazing, and it is always useful in our life. He is a good chef also. In my mother, she is not good in cooking, but my father is good in cooking, and he gives the ideas how the mixing of different spices, blending of different spices gives the special taste in the food. And this type of ideas always I try in my research experience. Actually, at that time I don't understand that. I didn't understand that what he want to do, learn us. But when the time goes and goes, and I read a lot of research paper, then I found that various magical tips is in our kitchen, and it is related to spices, and it is also related to our herbs like tea. One of my paper is also in the green tea leaf extract. This all ideas come with my father's innovation in his kitchen areas. He always told us and he always guide us that you will become honest in your life, then you got everything very easily. And one is the most important, that always trust to others. And if he cheat you, then the value of person you learn yourself. I'm not take your fingers and give the ideas that he is good or bad. You learn by yourself experience. And really it is fantastic. And I think that the honesty and believe on other, both are very important in our life, not in career, in your family. All always it is the matter how you are to grow. When you only if you only grow in your life by the support of any person, then you didn't learn anything. But after when he passed away, then I learned lot of things because I know that my mother is a, as you told you, that the backbone of my life. She only not support before marriage, even she already support me after marriage. He look after my both a child. That's why I am in the profession of my career, and as I am here as a quality manager and AGM in our life, in my life. Passion, passions, how you passionated in anything, it is learned by my mother. And if you talk about that, she is very calm, and she is not only a support in the way of mental health. She also support in everything way. As I am in okay in my financial condition, but my brother is not so. So she support him like a financial condition. And by if I talk about myself, I think what is I am here. That's why by my mother reason. Actually, it is very important that in after 10th class my father is retired, so financial condition is not good in my life. And at that time when I started to study, it is very difficult to study for the zoology and botany. So I use the alternate way, that chemistry and physics. Okay, and chemistry, a lab coat, and all these things. Realize that we are as a scientist, so we are become more passionate towards the chemistry. And its relationship, actually I always use the relationship areas to learn the chemistry, how the electron comes and react with that atoms, and that this that it all look like that my family background, that just my brother come and I fight to him. So I enjoyed this words that like. And as the I am grow in my career, then I got that various thing related to our daily needs is also related to the chemistry. And if you talk about it, just like a simple example, that is the water. If you ask about the water, then it is very important in our vital role. It is also more important in our industrial role, because all boiler needs water for the process engineering. If you require the steam, it will come across the water. The TDS is also important, hardness is also important, pH is also important. And this all the things, when I am in our study line, then I didn't understand what is the importance of that things which I learn about that way. But when I come in industry, then really it is very supportive. A small areas which have I study already is uh, grow my career and exponentially go. That I give the ideas that TDS is high, so then how can we treat that water and how it is useful for us. Even I'm also the quality manager of NABL Lab, National Accreditation Board of Laboratory. So the FSSI rules, that what is the importance of potable water. He always the FSI rule told that you test the water for the potability. Many of the our businessmen told me that what's the requirement, ma'am? Why we use, why we spend the money for that? Then I realize him, and then I give the information that the potable water is used by your worker, and if he is not well, then how your industry become well? Because they all is the part of your industry, the milestone of your industry. So by this way, gradually I realized that study is more important. And as you study, if you study any subject, all subject have their uh, role in your life. If you talk about the math is very interesting because anything cannot be learned. You can just use the logics, and it's become very easy. That same way chemistry is logical. I'm not to learn anything, and I'm not so studious actually. I'm read, write. But if logical is in any way, then it's become very easy for me to correlate and use very intelligently. This is the reason. That is the reason behind the chemistry. Uh, Actually, when my father has gone, then my both brother always encourage me that you can do it. And when I'm 4 year old, then a truck is went to my areas, and my younger brother just crossed the truck, and I'm only 4 years. I don't understand that what happened. I also follow my younger brother. Then my elder brother just pull up me on the, and whenever we are fight with each other, then he always told that at that time I just give you the track and you gone with that, it is better for me. Why I save your life? I am save your life. That type of one. And actually, they are both are the male candidates, so they are so jointly work, and I'm separately than that. And I am always with my mother. Then they told that you are your advocate is your advocate is with you. He told that my mother is my advocate, and he always with me for the supporting me and for saving to her to their fight. So they are very anger for that type of work. But as the time going, then our relationship become very very close with all the my family. Actually, if I talk about the success, then PhD. It is very horrible for me. Actually, when I started my PhD, then I'm so passionate that I've become a doctor and this type of thing. But after marriage, it has become very horror for us because, uh, as I told you that I'm become pregnant, and it is very difficult for me to balancing with my educations and my parental. So at that time, I realized that I think I'm fail here. I'm not. I not. this choice is not correct for me. I choose wrong path because at that time my various friends become the teacher in primary education teacher. So I very disappointed that how much I study, but I'm not getting any job. I'm just very disappointing. At that time, my husband told me that education is not related to the job. How can you relate the job and education? Education is entirely different things. It's improve your personality. It's improve your thinking. How can you correlate? Job is essential for everyone, but it is not required that all the persons is easily get their task. You choose a hard task, then how can you uh, realize that is you got it easily? So this sentence give me a strength that definitely PhD is not so easy, but my husband, my mother, all the person wants that I got my degree. So I work on that, and at that time I always think that when I start my career, the my salary will be become approx 50,000. And actually my all the friends at that time got the 35,000 in teaching. And is the as I told you that if you think anything, you think that you got that type of money, or that the God is always help you. And my first career, I was when I started my first career. Really, my salary is 50,000 at that time. So actually, I have tried many times for the net examinations, and I didn't crack that examination because at that time I started the MTech also, because my condition is not so good. So in MTech, we got the question money, approx 5,000 at that time, and uh, it is handsome amount for the sustainability. So I started the MTech, and I left my uh, net examinations and started the career in that way. But as I have told you that God always choose a path for you. I'm not i'm not thinking that I did my MTech and PhD in oil technology, but he gave me that career because I think he knew that I'm good in that environment. I give my education career in that way, by more useful way. Actually, if I crack the examination of net and become a professor, then definitely I teach whose people. But as I realize in industry, many people is not know about the technology, because technical person is not know about the chemistry, and chemical chemistry known person is not know about the technical difficulties. And the combination of both become very easy for me to give to deliver my ideas for my industry, to give a better result for the consumers. So I think actually, if you talk about the social work, then definitely it is my dream work. And currently, I only serve by the my technical skills. Actually, any businessman wants the money. They didn't understand that what is the important of which type of product is required by our society, and if anyone give the ideas that you can how can you give the cheaper products, they go for that. As a quality person, it is my prime responsibility that I give the uh, dark side of that product is also so informed to our business owner. And I'm not worry about my job, and always give the information that if we work if we go for the cheaper work, and if we go for the mixing, our brand become failure. And second thing is, the public who who trust on our brand and who serve that items is also not good for their health. So by this way, presently by this way I am doing for the our society. And after that, I really wants that I will serve to by different way, by the giving the mental peace. uh, if you if you see around your scenario, you always think that mental peace is not there. All the person is moving for the money, 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 money. So mental peace is also required. So this type of motivation, this type of positive thinking, that you in morning, if you wake up early morning and you think about the positivity of your life, how was how what is the what you get in previous day by your society, and what you give the previous day to your society, and which type of happiness you got from that. This type of thinking is also very important. So I wish that in my career, after my career, I started this type of job. Yeah, actually, I only want to tell you that the education is the key of all the girls. All girls should be educated. It is not important that boys is educated or not, but it is important that girls should be educated, because by her education, not only she educated, but her family is also become very uh, directive way, or you told that very directional way, or positivity movement in his family, in her family, sorry. And first is the education, second is believe in your family and parents. I am approx 7 year I live as a hosteler, and I realized that most of the girl is uh, not trust on her parents. She trusts on other person who is not the family member. That's why I'm always tell that the family is the strength. Always talk to your parents. They give you the correct suggestion. Because we all of not seen the God, but God is as a parent in our life, and they give the they give the always you the correct suggestions and positivity in your life. So this two message that you will become the educated and really believe in your parent. I say to myself that I always imagine many things. At that time, if I'm not imagining much more thing and work only one task, then I think It is become more and more soundable personality today. So imagination is in not out of the box, only in the your aim related. I think that. So that, and after that, to meet my mentor Dr. RP Singh, I realized that you should work on only one task, and you counting all, you first of all you write all the tasks and you choose most too important and work on that. Before meeting them, before meeting him, I am starting to work on 10 tasks, and it's become very hard to do all the things very easily. For myself, I love the reading also. In morning, I always read the chemistry book actually. Re- when I read chemistry, I always realize that I want more and more knowledge. That's why I passionate to read about the chemistry. Yeah, yeah. I have also joined the yoga classes, but uh, due to my child's, one is the 10 year and other is 5 years, so they are also uh, sit on my back and started to yoga with me. That's why it's become very difficult for me actually.